I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public tag a post on Facebook. First, open Facebook and begin creating a new post. You can add text, photos, or videos. Before you do anything else, make sure the audience selector is set to public. This ensures your post and any tags will be visible to everyone, not just your friends. This is a crucial first step for public tagging. Now let's get to tagging. To tag a friend, simply type the @ symbol and then start typing their name. A list of suggestions will pop up. Choose the correct person. You can also tag public pages like businesses or organizations using the exact same @ method. This links your post directly to their profile or page. Beyond people, you can also tag locations and events. To add a location, look for the check-in button below your post. Tap it, then search for the place you're at or want to mention. Similarly, if you're posting about an event, you can tag it by typing @ and the event's name, then selecting it from the options. This adds more context to your public post. Before you hit that final button, take a moment to review everything. Ensure all your tags are correct and that the post's content looks good. Most importantly, confirm one last time that your audience setting is still set to public. Once you're satisfied, simply click the Post button to share your content with the world. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.